Hi again. In this second video, we will go and show you how to upload and attach an image for every employee, like we have done for Jessica Smith right here. So this image, it will be used on the employee per year when we will select Jessica Smith. If we upload and attach an image to every employee, this profile image employee it will be displayed here. So we will have the basic data and all the data for its all PTO requests and approved, including hourly, partial hour records. But this video is focused on how to upload an image to every employee, and it will be displayed here into the employee profile. Let's go back into the settings tab, and we will have to upload the image for every employee in case we have here in this image column. In case we don't have an image uploaded here, the system will use this default image and it will display this instead of the image that was supposed to be uploaded here. So in case we don't have any image associated with any employee or every employee, the system will use this. And how it will work, let's select for Jessica Smith we have this head of a man. But let's say for Michael Johnson we don't have any image associated uploaded with for it, and it will use the default image. Okay, let's proceed and see how we should upload an image for every employee. Let's go for example into and upload an image for Michael Johnson. We have to click on this cell which is on the Michael Johnson's row, and into the image column, click on it. Then from the top main menu, click insert image, hover it, insert an image in the cell. Okay, so in the cell, not over the cell, in the cell. It will pop up this window, and we have to upload the image for Michael. We just have to click browse and select, go into your PC and choose where you have the images uploaded. So this one is for Michael. Select the Michael image, open. It will be uploaded and display here for Michael Johnson. I'm using these free drawings for the images. These are downloaded free for this demo from freepik.com. I'm not affiliate, so I'm just using to showcase this functionality, how to upload these images. If we go back into the employee per year, we see that for Michael Johnson is updated in real time. The image we have used, it is not showing the demo image, the default image anymore, but it will use the image we have uploaded for Michael Johnson. If we switch back to Jessica Smith, the entire system is updating, but let's change this dummy image with an image for Jessica Smith to represent a woman. Okay, we must select the cell for Jessica Smith, go into insert image, insert an image in the cell, go browse and select Jessica, the image for Jessica. Image is updated here, and if we go into employee per year, we see that Jessica image has already been updated in the background. And do one for William. Select the cell, insert image in the cell, go browse into your PC, and this was for William, open. Image has been uploaded and attached to William. Let's go employee, change William Brown, and we see all the details has been updated, including the image used. Okay, that would be all. Thank you for watching, and in case you have any related issues or questions, just let me know. Have a good day.